So, saan ba maganda gamitin si Ascend? Tinitignan ko kung anong magandang goal para sa kanya. The number one goal talaga that comes into mind, and I think that was also designed that way, is really for retirement funding. Very important that we prepare for retirement. And based on mga natutunan ko sa industry na to, sa financial planning, we should be preparing for retirement at least 20 years ahead. So if you wanna retire at age 65, at age 45 or younger, nagisimula ka na. Kaya siguro hanggang age 45, no, yung issue age lang ito for the insured. No, kasi hindi enough yung 5 years or 10 years to prepare for retirement, hindi enough because you need time to save up, you need time for the interest rate na maramdaman. Kung masyado maikse, less than 20 years, hindi talaga magpa-perform well. You'll just get frustrated. Alright? So again, if you can see, no, so by age 65, no, dun sa example natin kanina na age 38 na female, sa age 65, meron kang cash value guaranteed 2 million. Right? So sa column A, 2 million yan, guaranteed makukuha mo siya. So kung winidraw mo yung mga cash payout, no, so at age 65, may 50K ka pa, plus the 2 million. And then the potential dividends na 1,017,212. Although not guaranteed again, I wanna highly stress that. Bonus na lang yun. So pro tip, anong pro tip dito? You know, you can choose to leave the annual payouts and dividends as well to accumulate interest until age 65. Alright? So, wag mo munang withdrawin yung mga cash payouts na tigpi 50,000 every year kung hindi mo naman kailangan, iwan mo dyan, no? Choose the option to leave and to accumulate interest so that it will compound. Kasi pag hawak ni AIA yung pera, it will earn interest, no? 2%, 3%, 3.9% dun sa example natin. So depende, no, sa prevailing interest rates during that time. Alright? Eh pag sa bangko ka naglagay time deposit, hindi na makikita ng 3.9% yun every year. No, parang bonds na rin yun eh. So maganda na, I think, na kay AIA siya. Alright? It will add to your lump sum payout during your retirement. So, kung ang goal mo naman talaga is retirement, huwag mo munang galawin yung dividends, yung payouts. Ipunin natin lahat para pag age 65, pwede. So, lalaki yung potential dividends mo by that time or yung potential payout, no? Kasi tatlo yung kukunin mo eh. Yung cash payout na hindi mo kinuha tas nag-interest, yung dividends na hindi mo kinuha tas nag-interest, and then the double the face amount, which is the maturity benefit. Alright? So in this case, kung 1 million face amount, 2 million yun. Pwede mo rin siyang kunin as health funding, no, for beyond age 65. So alam na natin na may mga health insurance or mga HMOs. Kaya lang usually, yung ino-offer, hanggang age 65 lang siya pwede. No, beyond age 65, bihira makahanap ng health insurance. So parang cash na ang kailangan mo. Self-funded na. So habang bata, kuha ka ng health card. While you're employed, probably kuha ka ng health card or other health insurances. Pero kasabay nun, dapat nag-iipon ka na rin. Just in case you really, you know, get old and doon ka pa magkasakit beyond age 65, kailangan may pera kang separately. Alright? So, ganun din, no, you will accumulate yung amount na yon during that time. The same example, nakakatanggap ka ng tig 50K every year. Probably, pwede mo itong gawin, pambili mo na lang ng health card, no, pambili mo ng HMO or another insurance plan, no, that I'll recommend in a while. Alright? Or gamitin mo for whatever purpose. And then, ipunin mo, pagdating ng age 65, may 2 million ka. Malaking fund na yon for health funding separately. So, sabi naman nila, when you do your financial planning, dapat magkakaibang cabinet or folder bawat goal. No? Pang education, iba. Pang retirement, iba. Pang health fund, iba. Ganyan. Life insurance, yung iiwan ko sa family ko, iba. So, ideally, you have at least 4, preferably even more. So, pro tip. Now, pro tip is you get a Medicard or yun yung HMO natin kasi we're also accredited with Medicard or our product called AIA MedAssist. Ito yung life insurance plus confinement, health card na pang confinement coverage to cover you up to age 65. No? Kasi habang bata hanggang age 65, pwede kang mag-renew or kumuha nitong HMO na to or ng health card na to parang term insurance. Beyond age 65, wala na. Diba? And then bundle it with our product, yung AIA Critical Protect. I have a very, you know, popular video about this. Ang daming kumukuha, ang daming clients. They're very, you know, sobrang sulit itong plan na to kasi affordable, tapos coverage up to age 100 for critical illness. No, so you will bundle these with this health insurance options. I want to show you this table. Kung age 38 ka na female, no, kung Medicard na kukunin mo, coverage is 200,000. Ang features niya is confinement, outpatient, check-ups, emergencies, dental, APE, tapos yearly renewable. Kung may pre-existing cover ang coverage niya is up to 5,000 every year, magbabayad ka up to age 65 or until gusto mong meron kang coverage. Magkano siya? 25,000 lang nagsisimula yung VIP plan. No, 25,000 lang siya, and then depende sa utilization, it may go up. Alright? Another plan is AIA MedAssist. Very fast-moving din na product namin yan dito sa AIA. Ang coverage niya, pinakamura, 500,000 every year. Alright? Life insurance siya, may savings, may confinement. Pang-confinement lang siya, wala siyang check-ups. Right? And then, yearly renewable din siya every year. Nare-renew mo siya. Yung pre-existing coverage may be covered starting on the second year but not on the first year. And then, pay up to age 65 din siya. Increasing premium siya. Nagsisimula siya 32,052.24 sa year 1, tapos nadagdagan siya ng paunti-unti, about 1 to 2,000 a year. Alright? And then yung AIA Critical Protect naman, coverage is 1 million for critical illness. Up to age 100 ang coverage and life insurance, whichever comes first. Hindi coverage yung pre-existing condition. Pag may pre-existing ka, depende sa medical kung i-approve ka. Pero hindi na yun covered. And then, 20 years to pay lang. Ang maganda rito, 20 years lang. So, kung 38 ka, up to age 57 ka lang or 58 nagbabayad, 38,242.50. So, mas mahal lang konti, pero 20 years to pay lang, up to age 100 na yung coverage. So, if you can get all, why not, diba? Pero you choose one or two of this. No, habang bata, habang nag-iipon, cover mo yung sarili mo ng these types of health insurance. And then, at age 65, you need a lump sum fund for your health insurance as well. Magkano na yung cost of hospitalization during that time, like 20, 30 years from now, medyo mahal na siguro. So we need a lump sum amount. So you can also use this for that purpose. Alright?